Here's this guy. I just put in a Victoria XC liner in the rear. See how that goes. Soften up my suspension a little bit. Get the brain front and rear. Don't really need it soft for this, but it's nice downhilling on an old back. So this early season, oh yeah, wow, look at this, it's raked. Nice. This early season, almost always pretty damp. Just snow runoff. We got a lot of new springs too. A lot of ruts from the guy going up and down and then dragging logs. Yeah. That's sort of surprised that that's dry. Ooh. Okay, there used to be a big log right there. That's why there's a jump, because they have built up a dirt ramp to jump over the log. This log's still here. People made a skinny. That'll be on my pay grade. That drop at the end is about 4 feet tall. Wow, that's surprisingly dry. That corner's already really loose. Sandy. I don't have real aggressive tires on. I've got, I think, 235 ground controls on this, which I like for up here. Aggressive, like cross-country tire for me. Chilly. Holy cow. All the logs way over there. Wow. Oh, that's I think the road to Hellhole. Jeez. I gotta see what's up with my stuntman. Feels like the GoPro's flopping. Alright, so take two. I started up and my battery died about 30 feet down the trail. Going down there. People making a cheater line. Damn it. Oh wow. So the trail goes just to the left there, but that tree's picking it up. So you have the option of going to the right here, up those rocks, straight in front to the right, or this is the way I always go. The traction on that rock is great. It's the bottom of it's always slightly sketchy. It gets a little deeper as the summer goes on, and I was surprised that there's already a little bit of a hole right there, and it gets really sandy. Ooh, that was a big boy. So really no changes. It's running pretty good right now, and it's sort of mellow pace, a sighting lap. All right, just look at all these trees here.